So what happens to your house after you sell it to an investor? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey guys, it's Eric Staniel from WeBuyNKYHouses.com, and we bought this house just a few months ago. We fixed it up, we cleaned it out, and it's about to go on the market tomorrow. I want to show you guys what it looks like. All right, so what's the story behind this house? Well, like many sellers who contact us, the people who own this house, they were in a tough position. They didn't want to be here anymore. They had several dogs, and so the house was not only too small for them. We're down here in Latonia, Kentucky today, and there wasn't a yard for the dogs, but the dogs were kind of beating up the house a little bit. And there was a number of things wrong with the house. There was some roof leaks, so there was some damage in the ceilings. The floors were kind of beat up. You know, the kitchen needed some attention. And they were in a tough spot, but the problem was they didn't have money to fix it up. So what do? Well, the sellers of this house did what a lot of people do. They called us. They called a cash buyer to say, hey, can you come and give us a cash offer on the house? We just want to close with this thing. We want to pay off our mortgage, and we want to have a little bit where we can go put a down payment on the next house. They'd been looking at some houses out in the country that had a little bit of land where their dogs could run free, that was affordable for them, would give them a little bit more space. And they had a number of what they needed to get for the house, so they called me up. I came and looked at it. I looked at the comps, basically is what we do when we look at houses of, okay, if we fix this house up, what could we resell it for? And then it's just simply a math problem on our end. We look at how much the repairs are gonna cost. We've got some other fixed costs, and then there's some profit we wanna make on the other end of it when we go to resell it. And that's the number that we had. That was the number they needed. And so the deal was made, we signed the papers, and we closed a little over a week later. So this is actually my first time being in this house. My dad's been helping me manage this project. And we did a lot to the house. We put a brand new kitchen in. We cleared out some of the old cabinets. We put in new cabinets, brand new appliances that we bought, brand new flooring all throughout the house. We did some roof work that we had to do on top. We painted the entire exterior. We put on kind of a brand new porch because the wrought irons were rusting out. So we encased the porch posts and fixed up the wrought iron, painted the entire exterior, new carpet throughout, updated both bathrooms. So this was a big project for us. And the reason why I'm showing it is not to say, hey, look at us. But a lot of times sellers, you know, when their house is run down and they sell it to a cash buyer, they oftentimes say to me, hey, when it's all done and you get the photos already and you go to sell it, can you show it to us? We really want to see it. And I get that completely. You've lived in the house and you know what the house could be but life happens, right? And oftentimes we don't have the finances to do what we want to do with the house fixing up. I get it completely. In fact, like even on my own home, there's a lot of projects that I don't do because life just happens. And it happens all the time. And so a lot of times when sellers call me, or when we go to sign a contract, they say, hey, can I see the photos when you're done? I'd love to see the house all complete. So this one we're really proud of. We fixed it all up. We had it staged by a stager, and it's about to go on the market with my business on the other side, which is Team Staniel, where I'm a realtor with Keller Williams. So I'm both a cash buyer and a realtor. Some people don't know that, but that's a lot of reason why people give me such high reviews, is because when I come and talk to you as a seller, I give you options both either on the cash offer side or helping you out on the realtor side list it, and I can give you that data both ways and you can decide what's best for you. But I wanted to do a walkthrough of this house because I thought it turned out really nice. We're excited about this project down here in Latonia. It's coming on the market soon. It's going to be an awesome house for a young professional or first-time home buyer, even a family. We ended up making this back room behind us, which kind of was an office, into a bedroom. We added a closet in that room, so it's 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, and it's a cute little home. Really happy with this project. So yeah, we did a lot in this house, and I want to show you guys a little bit of the before pictures, and you can compare them to what it looks like now. So enjoy the before and after here. So if you guys have a house in Northern Kentucky or Cincinnati area that you need to sell fast for cash, give us a call at We Buy NKY Houses, 859-412-1940. Or if you want to run the numbers and say, hey, what could I sell this for as is? I know the market's hot. Give us a call again. Because I'm a realtor with Keller Williams as well, I'll run the numbers both ways. I'll show you net sheets on both sides. You can decide what's best for you. That's why a lot of people like working with us. We're a local family-owned business. We love taking properties that need a little bit of love, a little bit of care, a little bit of work into them, making them beautiful like this one, putting them back on the market so that someone else can enjoy the home. But if you need to sell your house, guys, give us a call. I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough today of a project we did down here in Covington and Latonia, Kentucky. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.